Good morning to one and all. I am dealing with the subject metal cutting and machine tools. These subjects will come in third year, first semester. In the syllabus, in first unit, we deals with the fundamental of machining. Second unit, lathe machines. Third unit, shaping, slotting, and planning machines. And
Ma'am, screen
second part is
కనపడట్లేదు.
fundamental of machining. In fourth unit, milling machine. In fifth unit, finishing process. Sixth unit, jigging and frictures, and second part is CNC tool machines. In first unit, fundamental of the machining, we'll discuss about elementary treatment of metal cutting theory, elements of cutting process, geometry of single point cutting tools, tool angles, chip formation and types of chips, built up edge and its effects, chip breakers, mechanisms. In that, first one is metal cutting process. What is meant by a metal cutting process? Metal cutting process is a family of shaping operation, the common feature of which removes of the metals from a starting work parts so that the remaining has been desired geometrically from a starting work part of so that the remaining parts has been a desired geometry. Means here we are removing the metals by the extra parts. The machining on which these operations are called as machine tools. Variable process in machine tools cuttings are machine tools are selected to perform and cutting geometry, that is cutting tool, that is both geometry and the material and the properties and parameters of the workpiece and cutting parameters such as speed, feed, depth of cut, working holding devices such as fixtures and jigs. In addition, in the value of the addition by which raw materials of low utility and the value due to the inequivalent materials and the poor of irregular sizes, finish, shape are converted into high utility and the valued products with definite dimension, forms and finish imparting some of the functional elements. So in metal cutting removing process are broadly classified into three types: machining, abrasive process and non-traditional. In machining process, metal removes by sharp cutting tools. Examples of the machine tooling process are turning, milling, drilling. And in abrasive process, material removed by hard abrasive particles. Examples of this process are grinding. In non-traditional process, various energy forms other than the sharp cutting tools to remove the process. Classifications of metal removing process. Metal removing process are broadly classified into three types: conventional machining, abrasive machining and non-traditional machining. In conventional machining is also known as traditional machining. Material removed by a sharp cutting tools, as we previously discussed, which includes some of the shapes like turning and related operations, drilling and related operations, milling and other machining operations. In abrasive process, metal removing by hard in abrasive particles, metal removing by hard abrasive particles. Examples are grinding operations, other abrasive process, and mechanical and other abrasive process. In non-traditional process, various energy forms other than sharp cuttings. Examples are mechanical energy process, electrochemical machining, thermal energy process, and chemical machining. In that, first one is machining. We'll discuss about the machining. Machining comes under conventional process, generally macroscopic chip formation by the shear deformation. In metal removing takes place due to the applications of cutting process forces in the energy domain can be classified as a mechanical. Cutting tool is harder than the workpiece at a room temperature as well as the measure conditions. So cutting involves shear deformation of the metal material, and as a chip is removed in which a new surface is formed. Here if we take the workpiece and the chip is removed here, and they are removed by the process of the forcing, that is rotate motion by using the motions. So motions of the tools are broadly classified into 4 types: primary motion, secondary motion, generatrix, and directrix. So in primary motion, it is a relative motion between the tool and the work responsible for the cutting action is, and it absorbs most of the power required to perform the machining process. Secondary motion, it is responsible for gradual feeding of uncut portion and proceeds in the step or continuation and absorbs only a fraction of the power required for the machining. So machining, here there are 2 types of machining tools: positive tools and negative tools. So in the positive tool, it will cut in this direction. In negative tool, here we have the negative rank angle. So what is meant by a rank angle? So rank angle is defined, is the one of the machine which is used for the angle measurement. It is the angle between the face of the tool is called as a rank face, and the normal of the machining direction. This angle specifies which is the metal cut is higher. Higher the rank angle, better the cutting and less the cutting force. Increasing of the rank angle reduces the metal backup available at the rank face. This also reduces the strength of the tool tip as well as the heat dissipation to the tool. So this is the negative rank angle, this is the positive rank angle. Why machining is important? A variety of work materials can be machined more frequently used to cut the metals, and a variety of part shapes and the specific and special geometrical features possible, such as screw threads, accurate round holes, very straight edges and surfaces. And machining is very important for very good dimensional accuracy and surface finishing. So for these reasons, machining is important. And disadvantages of machining are wasteful of the materials. For the chip formation, chips are generated in the machining are wasted material, at least in the unit operations. And time consuming. A machining requires a large amount of the time because generally takes place at too longer time to get a shape at a given part than the alternate shaping process. And advantages of the machining are variety of work materials can be machined. A variety of the part shapes and general geometric features are also possible. A good dimensional accuracy occurs in machining process, and a good surface finishing occurs in machining process. And the machining in the manufacturing sequence General performance after other basic manufacturing process such as casting, forging and bar drawing and other process recreate a general shape of the starting work part. Machining provides the final shape, dimension, finish and other geometrical details that other process. And some of the machining operations are tuning. Single point cutting tool removes the material from a rotating workpiece to form a definite shape. Here we take the cylindrical shape. This is the workpiece and this is the cutting tool. If it's continuously tuning the workpiece, we'll get the required shape. This is the new surface formed here is the cylindrical shape and it is done by the speed motion. That is the primary motion here used. And the second machining operation is milling. The rotating multiple tool edges is removed across the work to cut a plane or straight surface. There are two forms, peripheral milling and face milling. This is the peripheral milling and this is the face milling. In peripheral milling, the workpiece is cut into a desired process by using rotating. So this is moves in this direction. This is the new workpiece occurs. In face milling, the milling process occurs at the face of the shape workpiece. And cutting tools classifications. Cutting tool classifications are broadly classified into two types, single point tools and multiple cutting tool edges. Single point tools are broadly, in single point tool, only one predominant cutting edges is needed. Point is usually rounded to form a nose radius. Turning uses single point tools. And second classification is multiple cutting edge tool. In multiple cutting edge tool, more than one cutting edges are needed and the relative motion to the work is achieved by the rotation. Means by rotating the process, the multiple cutting tool process occurs. Examples are drilling and milling uses the rotation we previously discussed. In milling, peripheral and face millings, rotating multiple cutting tool edges occurs. In that cutting tools, its single point tool shows the rank face, flank and tool point. And this is the first one, single point. In single point, we have the rank face, cutting edge, flank. This is the nose radius. This is the tool shaft. In helical milling cutter, helical means the shape is of different forms. Milling cutter represents the tools with multiple edges. Here there is only one point of tool. Here there are multiple points of the tools. Cuttings are there. Cutting conditions in machining. 3 dimensions of a machining process occurs by removing of a formula RMR is equal to V into FD. So by using this formula, we will describe how. So cutting condition in machining is derived by the formula RMR. RMR is equal to V into FD, where V is equal to cutting speed in the primary motion, F is equal to feed in the secondary motion, D is equal to depth of the cut, which represents the penetration of the tool below the virginal work surface. Roughing versus finishing tools. In the production of several roughing cuts are usually taken apart followed by the 1 or 2 finishing cuts. In roughing removes the large amount of the material from the starting of the work part. In roughing some material remains for finishing cutting and high feeds and depths occurs at low speeds. In finishing completes the part of geometry. In finishing, In finishing final dimensions, tolerance and finish occurs at low feeds and depths at higher cutting speed. Machine tools. A power driven by the machine that performs a machine operations which includes grinding. Functioning of the machines are, it is very hard to hold the work parts and the position relative to the work, provides power at low speed, feed and depth that have been set. The term also applies to the machine that perform metal forming operations. Orthogonal cutting model. In that orthogonal cutting model, ortho means 8. So there are 8 cutting models occurs here. Simplified 2 dimensions of the machines that describes the mechanics of the machining finely accurate. The general purpose of the metal cutting operations such as tuning or milling is a 3-dimensional and is generally termed as a oblique cutting. This obliquity concerns forms an angle between the cutting, speed vector and other cutting edges as shown in the diagram. Through this, the most practical, it is far more difficult analysis because of the 3 dimensions. And the assumptions of the orthogonal cutting models are the tool is perfectly sharp and has no contact along the clearance face. The surface where shear occurs is plane. The cutting edge is a straight line extended perpendicular to the direction of the motion and generates the plane surface as the work moves past it. Uncut chip thickness is constant. A continuation chips is produced without any BUE. Work moves with a uniform velocity. The stresses on the shear plane are uniformly distributed. So these are the assumptions. By applying these assumptions, the working to the orthogonal process occurs. Chip thickness ratio. Chip thickness ratio is represented by the letter R. R is equal to T naught by TC, where R is equal to chip thickness ratio, T naught is equal to thickness of the chip prior to the chip formation, and TC is equal to chip thickness after separation. If the chip thickness after the cut is always greater than before, so chip thickness ratio is always less than 1. It should not be greater than 1.